Picture the possibility of supercharging your muscle growth while you peacefully slumber. Given that most individuals dedicate 6 to 9 hours to sleep each night, tapping into this potential could lead to exponential gains. During this restful period, your muscles experience complete relaxation, and your body releases vital hormones that promote muscle growth and repair. Consequently, muscle recovery and repair become primary objectives for your body. In this video, we'll uncover 5 potent techniques to amplify the muscle protein synthesis process, ensuring you achieve optimal recovery while drifting into dreamland. Tip 1. Protein intake before bed. A straightforward yet impactful method to enhance muscle growth during sleep is by consuming protein prior to bedtime. Whether opting for a casein protein shake or a whole food source like cottage cheese, this practice heightens protein synthesis while reducing the breakdown of muscle proteins. Proteins serve as the fundamental building blocks for muscle tissue, and extended periods without food force the body to resort to its own muscle tissue for essential amino acids. By providing a steady influx of amino acids during sleep, your body can focus on repairing and growing muscles more efficiently. Numerous studies underscore the effectiveness of pre-sleep protein intake in hastening muscle development, particularly casein protein. Its slow absorption rate ensures a sustained supply of amino acids, optimizing the process of muscle repair and growth. Tip 2. Prioritize quality sleep. The quality of your sleep plays a pivotal role in expediting muscle growth. A study comparing varying sleep durations within calorie deficit groups revealed that although both groups shed equal weight, the reduced sleep group experienced more muscle loss and less fat loss. Even a single night of sleep deprivation escalates the breakdown of muscle proteins. To foster optimal muscle growth, aim for a minimum of 7 to 9 hours of actual sleep nightly. Intense training regimens may necessitate even more. Moreover, strive for uninterrupted sleep, as frequent awakenings can diminish the rejuvenating effects by rest. By prioritizing quality sleep, you set the stage for accelerated muscle development while you slumber. Tip 3. Lift weights and apply progressive overload. To ignite muscle protein synthesis, engaging in weightlifting is essential. This process is critical for rebuilding muscles to be larger and stronger. Ensuring each muscle group is targeted at least twice a week maintains elevated levels of muscle protein synthesis throughout the week, even during sleep. Interestingly, weightlifting also enhances sleep quality, also supported by various studies. However, it's important to avoid stimulants like pre-workout supplements or coffee before a late-night session, as they can potentially hamper sleep quality. Tip 4. Optimize bedroom environment. Establishing an ideal sleeping environment is crucial for achieving high-quality sleep. Ensure your sleeping quarters are pitch black to prevent any disruptions, and consider investing in blackout curtains or a comfortable sleep mask if necessary. Noise can be a significant disruptor, so contemplate using white or brown noise to drown out any unwelcome sounds. Remember, not all sleep is created equal, and a peaceful sleep environment significantly contributes to muscle growth during sleep. By creating an atmosphere of conducive to rest, you're providing your body with the optimal conditions for maximizing muscle recovery and growth. Tip 5. Avoid alcohol consumption. While some find that alcohol aids in falling asleep, it does not equate to improved sleep quality. Alcohol disrupts the natural sleep cycle, reducing time spent in the vital REM range. Even consuming a few alcoholic beverages can have detrimental effects on muscle growth and overall health. If you've been consuming or using alcohol to facilitate sleep, consider exploring alternative strategies. These might include optimizing your sleep environment, maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, avoiding caffeine and late-night stimulation, as well as potentially incorporating practices like consuming enough magnesium and supplementing with melatonin. By making these adjustments, you can achieve the benefits of improved sleep without compromising your muscle-building goals. Remember, the key to unlocking your body's full muscle-building potential lies not only in the gym, but also in the quality of sleep. In harnessing the power of your slumber, you unlock a realm of untapped potential for muscle growth. By implementing these 5 potent strategies, you transform your nightly rest into a powerhouse for muscle recovery and development. From fortifying your protein intake before bedtime to optimizing your sleeping environment, each step plays a crucial role in maximizing muscle synthesis. The careful selection of casein protein ensures a steady and sustained supply of amino acids, enabling your body to focus on repair and growth. Quality sleep emerges as a cornerstone of this process, with studies demonstrating its profound impact on muscle retention and fat loss. Prioritizing rest sets the stage for accelerated muscle development, with each night serving as an opportunity for significant progress. Engaging in regular weightlifting sessions combined with progressive overload creates the stimulants needed for robust muscle synthesis. The incorporation of weightlifting not only enhances muscle growth, but also improves sleep quality, reinforcing the mutually beneficial relationships between exercise and rest. Optimizing your bedroom environment further enhances the quality of your sleep. From pitch black darkness to managing noise levels, every adjustment contributes to an atmosphere conducive to optimal recovery. Finally, the decision to limit alcohol consumption proves pivotal. By avoiding disruptions to your natural sleep cycle, you safeguard the vital stages of rest that are instrumental in muscle growth. In embracing these 5 stages, you empower yourself to harness the full potential of your body's muscle-building capabilities during sleep. Remember, the journey to enhanced muscle growth transcends the confines of the gym, extending into the realm of rest and recovery. As you integrate these practices into your routine, anticipate not only improved physical performance, but also a newfound appreciation for the transformative power of sleep in your pursuit of your fitness goals.